Johnny Appleseed by Anastasia Sewin, illustrated by Ed Meyer. Oh, do you know the Apple Man, the Apple Man, the Apple Man? Do you know the Apple Man, Johnny Appleseed? He carried seeds across this land, across this land, across this land. He carried seeds across this land, Johnny Appleseed. He sailed the rivers across this land, across this land, across this land. He sailed the rivers across this land, Johnny Appleseed. He walked in the woods across this land, across this land, across this land. He walked in the woods across this land, Johnny Appleseed. He planted seeds across this land, across this land, across this land. He planted seeds across this land, Johnny Appleseed. He cared for his trees across this land, across this land, across this land. He cared for his trees across this land, Johnny Appleseed. He shared his trees across this land, across this land, across this land. He shared his trees across this land, Johnny Appleseed. His apples grew across this land, across this land, across this land. His apples grew across this land, Johnny Appleseed. We eat apples across this land, across this land, across this land. We eat apples across this land, thanks to Johnny Appleseed.